can't do with this. Ladies and gentlemen, this is from the flight deck, your first officer, Chaska speaking.
Finally. Oh, that jump was amazing. Flips, tricks, turning on my back, looking at the sky, tracking, cutting through air, man. Woof! Finally. I'm back. I know I got a lot of work to do. I gotta finish this book. I gotta edit. I gotta learn how to do monologues. But this is my time, so sorry if I disappeared on you people. But yo, if I don't do everything I'm passionate about and change my life, man, my family's nobody's gonna want to do something out the norm. Everybody's gonna want to continue to just not thrive. I want to thrive. I need to thrive. Whew. Skydiving is just a little part of what I have planned, but I gotta figure this out. I'm still trying to watch my mental health. You know, at times I'm not good. But yo, there's people out there. It does get better. I don't know when I'll be completely fine. You know, I wish my mom could have seen what I'm gonna do, you know. But we gotta keep pushing. You know. I'll see ya.
Stoic Teatime, I love all of y'all.
Not because of this, it's just helping mentally. Good morning, good morning. I need to clear my mind, you know? What I'm attempting to do is, most people don't even try, man. The fear is crazy. Everyone says, how can you skydive? How can you do? Well, if I don't do it, the regret of when I get older and not pursuing what I'm passionate about, what I love, what I wake up every single day, just on my mind, I gotta do this. I see my family, I'm looking at everyone. No one else is gonna take the risk. So I'm gonna take it. I'll see you at the Springs. We out here in Florida, baby. To our destination. It's supposed to rain at 5 o'clock, thunderstorm. No matter what, I'm gonna be in the park probably till it closes. So if you know Florida, I'm at Publix right now. I'm at Publix. About to, get the cooler real quick. Man, solo dolo. I love my own company, man. So here we go. We got the ice. Talk to me, babe. I'm over here. There we go. Yo, it's probably 90 degrees right now. I want to walk around just in my boxers. But whatever. About to go get a public sub. And then we in the park. Gotta sweat this out, man. Get my mind right. And tomorrow we skydiving all day. 4 o'clock wake up. I think I might rent a hotel. I need a write. I need to upload this footage into the hard drive. And I think I'm closer to the skydiving place from here. So take myself out for a nice dinner. Just might bring the sandwich back with me to the hotel and you're gonna get it. I'll see ya. Ah.
Five minutes later.
Hey, how you doing? Can I get a kiss?
Okay, so forgive me, guys, ladies, gentlemen, us aliens. I had to really restrict this video because it got wild. Within 5 minutes of me arriving, it got wild. I know these things come to me effortlessly, but I had to restrict a lot of things in here. Really restrict it. Nature calls. Let's get back to it. Please. Don't drive me. Don't drive me in a river.
Opposite way.
Are you sure?
Well, you can't go that way. As long
Okay,
as
so
we
we're
cross
going.
it,
We're
it's
going
a
down
dead
this way.
end. It's a dead end.
Jesus.
I think so. We have to go the other way. Maybe you turn.
Yo, I see
Are
you.
you
Yo,
ready?
I was getting all my equipment ready. Once again, I cannot allow this. It's about structures, morals, values. It's about being respectful. So I can't post none of this. Maybe in my Patreon, I will do it in some time, but this, I wanted to put it, but we ain't doing it. Continuing on.
Twerked once today, have I? Until right now.
Oh, okay.
Can
so
you
how
admit
do you
that?
no? So how do you think we literally flipped over the first time?
I jumped.
Twerking.
I dived
Twerking.
out.
She's like, I'm gonna be fine. I'm in the back.
I
She's in the front.
dived out.
She stands up, turns around. I'm like, we're gonna flip. She's like, nah, we're not. I said, Maddie, we're gonna flip. She jumps up. I'm like, whoop, whoop.
I dived out. That's why. I didn't twerk out. I dived.
I know,
And it
but
tipped
I
it.
know, but we still got flipped.
No.
That-
But I was just
that
saying that
big
was
ol' ass.
But I was saying that was the first time I had twerked
Hold on,
all
you're
day.
you're Irish?
Italian. Yeah, more Italian.
So your dad is what?
Yeah, both my parents are Italian.
So where's the Irish come from?
My mom has her mom has a little Irish in her.
Okay. So Italian. I'll
So
be.
we're a gray Chevy Silverado, right there.
Oh, we found it!
We found it!
Really?
So we can charge your phone and we can add you and
All
everything.
right.
Thank
Yo,
you so much.
we was going the wrong way.
Were we really? We were over
Like, I was over there. And I seen you guys walking over there.
I need to get one of these.
Yo, this has the auto track, so if you want to put your... Now it's going to follow her face everywhere she goes.
Oh, I need to get one of these. What is this? Awesome.
Osmos 3.
We look cute or whatever.
Oh.
You didn't want my tongue. Wow.
I'll take it.
That's my...
We got all night, no one is rushing. We're all in slow motion, bodies are touching. We spent it all on whiskey and Molly. Nobody's gonna remember tomorrow. DJ, please turn this song up. Play till I can't get enough. Oh, losing myself in this moment. This night is ours and we know it. We on tonight. We on tonight. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, we on tonight. This night is ours and we know it. We on tonight. Ooh, yeah, yeah. DJ, please turn this song up. Play till I can't get enough. Oh, losing myself in this moment. This night is ours and we know it. We on tonight. We on tonight. We on tonight. This night is ours and we know it. We on tonight. This night is ours and we know it. We on tonight.
You didn't leave it open.
I don't think I would have left it open.
No, why would no?
Used to put the orange pills in that seller's tropical haze. That's what your favorite rapper did to you that got him some fame.
You better send me this footage.
I got it.
Huh?
I got you. We should...
You better not go back to New York.
I'm going to be here for like a week and a half.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, if anything, we can come back. We only live 30 minutes.
I'm
Or we're Airbnb.
our Airbnb.
We don't get those often, so it's nice to say it.
So that was a crazy adventure. Yo, no lie. Luckily, I have my camera equipment, and that was recorded. Because in my life, just randomly, things always happen like that. Always, always. And there's been dozens on dozens of times where I was like, man, if this was recorded, people wouldn't believe it. But this happens all the time with me. So they left. Great people, great energy. And now I'm just gonna chilling out, going into the woods. We out here. Ah. We shall see. We shall see. Trying to just get my mind right. Think, breathe. Finally. New York City dropping loony. No organic people. Hardly no organic people. When I'm out here, look at me, look at me. Yo. People always ask me if I'm scared of skydiving. I'm like, I don't know how you could do it. What they don't realize, after you push through the threshold of fear, there's a whole different world. There's a whole different level of visualization, like seeing, hearing. Your senses just grow, right? But majority of people in life, they never push that fear. They never push past that fear. And then they grow older, and then they get old. And what circulates is that what if? What if? I'm never gonna get to a point where I'm soaking in that what if. Never. You know, today I woke up and I seen it was gonna rain this whole week. I realized I'm in Florida. It's gonna rain. But in my head I was like, it's just gonna rain all day. I'm not gonna be able to skydive, but I could skydive today. But it's these BS narratives that we all put in our head, you know? And it's not that serious. It's really nothing in life is that serious, ever. You know, we got to learn how to control our mind, control our thinking. Just be comfortable by ourselves. So that's why I come out to places like this. You know, most people, if they come out here by themselves, they're scared. And like, I remember the first time I came out here, well, the second time I came out here, I was, you know, every sound just scared. You know, but you realize this is super calming. It's super chill. There's a lot of benefits from being out here. You know, I don't want to record. I just want to be out here by myself and I don't want to even hear myself talk. I just want to hear nature. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Cut this camera off and just use my senses. You know, I told mommy, I said, yo, listen, I'm going to come out here without shoes. She was like, no, you don't know what's out there. And check it. We here. Oh. I'm out here. This feels so good, man. Like, relaxation at its best. And if I meet someone along the way, I meet someone along the way. If not, I'm totally fine.